Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y36 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. First of all, open the settings, then select System and click on Backup and Restore. Here you will notice backup data, click on Turn On and that's it. As you can see, from now on backup is active. Obviously, if you are not logged in with your account yet, you will have to provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account, along with the password. But as I had my account added, it was uploaded pretty quickly. So now you can either backup data right now by tapping on Backup Now, but if you will not do it, backup will be done automatically. Let me just open it. Look like this. Where is the notification? So it will be done automatically once your device is charged or been idle for around 2 hours. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.